today I have a review. This is the Bolide Skate 31 by Hermes, and I am going to be doing a review on this bag just in case you want to know more about it. So the first thing that you need to know is that this is a limited edition bag. This is not going to be around. This is a timeless piece, and one of the reasons why it's so popular is because of this skateboard. So it has this beautiful design on the bottom, which I absolutely love. So the bag itself is made out of leather. I am going to be putting all of the details in the info box for you so that you can see them for yourself. There's just one zipper and it glides easily from one side to the other. For us women, this might look like a pouch, but in reality, this is actually very nice in person. And in my opinion, before I get into the bag a little more, I wouldn't mind wearing this bag, to be honest with you. I think that even though people say, oh, it's for men, I think this is gender neutral and it's beautiful. So the inside, just like most Hermes bags, it's very spacious. There is a little pocket at the very back, like right by where it says Hermes. And then the bag comes with a little dust bag, and then it has this huge strap. This is how you know, like maybe it's for a guy, but it has a huge strap, and then it has these two little hooks right here where you would just attach the strap, and voila, there you go. You have a beautiful, beautiful bag. On the inside, I think that you can fit so many things. I know that guys don't usually have a lot of things to put into their bags, but if you want something that is classic, that is very stylish, this is the bag for you. Now on to my favorite part of the bag. So down here it has 4 studs, so 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, and that is to protect the actual design that you see at the very bottom. There's a beautiful stitching that goes all throughout. It really does create the effect of a skateboard. I don't know if you knew this, but like years ago, Dior also had, I think they were shoes, and they had shoes that were inspired in skates. So the fact that Hermes did this, and Hermes also did this before. Also, this bag has beautiful stitching all throughout. I really, really like that. I think that it is a very delicate design, but at the same time it is very classic, and this is, like all Hermes bags, something that you can dress up or you can dress down. I wouldn't mind wearing this with a casual outfit. The leather, in my opinion, is beautiful. It's like a grainy effect, and I think it's a little delicate, but with everything in life you have to take care of it so that it lasts. But it is just beautiful, and I wouldn't mind wearing this with a look that's a little bit more fitted. Whenever there's a bag available, the bag comes in a box. It's not as big as the Birkin. This one is a little bit more rectangular, and then it does come with a dust bag. So if you've been going to Hermes and you've been trying to get a bag, the reason why you haven't been able to get one most likely is because it all depends on the store, and there's a high demand for these types of bags because, I don't know if you knew this, but all of their bags are made by one artiste. Like, it's not like the handles are made by someone and then the zipper is put by someone else. No, it's one person who does the entire bag. My advice would be to go to the store and to talk to a sales rep. Most likely they're going to ask you to buy things so that you can build up an account, and then from there just you may be eligible to get it. Sometimes when you walk into the store, they're not gonna have the bag that you want, or there may not be any bags available at the moment, but you can always ask. I have other reviews here on YouTube where you can learn more about Birkin, and if you want to check them out, you're more than welcome to do so as well. I've also reviewed Chanel bags, and I've also reviewed Teddy Blake, a whole bunch of bags. But if you want to check those out, I'm going to be linking them in the info box for you. I really do hope that you love this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, please like the video, because like that, YouTube recommends my video to more and more people. Also, support the channel by subscribing. Leave me a comment letting me know what your thoughts are, and if you like this bag, if you wanted one, if you think that it's a timeless piece, whatever your opinion may be, share it with me, and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you next time.
1,000 times before.